Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating essentials. Check free disk space, permission scopes, and network reachability. Once done, export the backup logs so you know exactly when failures started and which error codes repeat. Next, stop any new writes to the source system to prevent changing data during recovery, and take a snapshot or freeze the file system if your platform supports it. After that, ensure your backup user has restore privileges and collect the backup manifest so you can target the problematic archive directly. You now focus on pinpointing corrupt archives. Run checksum verification and compare file sizes against the manifest to isolate mismatches, because that tells you whether the problem is transport, storage, or metadata. Once identified, mount or extract incremental backups to trace where the chain breaks, and make sure to test restores of individual files, not whole systems. If segments are missing, reconstitute them from retained snapshots or earlier full backups, and use block-level repair tools when available to rebuild damaged chunks. Finish by performing a targeted restore to a test environment and validate critical files and services. You do this to confirm the repair before touching production. Then, rerun the backup job with verbose logging and staggered retries to catch transient network or throttling issues, and make sure retention policies don't purge rebuilt segments. If problems persist, collect full logs and representative error samples, and consider reinitializing the backup metadata or recreating the backup set. That single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.